Hello guys, welcome back to our section column from example. So let us see the last example in column from example. We have the alphanumerical data type, all the text and numbers mixed together. So we have seen for text and date. Let's see for alphanumeric. I have already loaded the data here and you can see only one column is there, but there are text and numbers separated by space and all are mixed together. How do I find out the text or numbers separately? Let us see that. Suppose I want the first name only, okay, which is given here. Let's say Sia, Vihan, Vijay and so on. I can go to add column and click on column from example. Simply type the first name, enter. You will get all the first name. If you want that second thing which is given as 10, 20, 30, I mean to say this value after the first text 10, 20, 30, 40. So you just type as 10, enter. You will get the second text here. Same applies for third one. If you want only third text, type Mumbai, enter. Will get only one way. So if you try to do it in another software, it will take some time. You will get the answer definitely. This would be somewhere easier. Here, if I want only the last number, which is 711, I can press enter and you can see somewhere you will get the last number, but somewhere it will create a problem. So you need to teach whenever it is making a mistake like this places. I can tell them that for the entire text, I only want the last number which is 25. So I'll double click here and type 25, press enter. Okay. So it will understand the pattern and at the backend a lengthy function is created. You see that's M code or M function, nested M function, and this will give you the answer. So I can just click on OK. This will give you the output here. So if you want to see what exactly happened, you can click on this setting button on the right hand side and this would be the function which will be written at the backend. For that step, so I can click on cancel. Maybe I can delete this and I'll show you one more example. Let us see if it works or not. The question is, if I only want to extract the text from those alphanumerical, I can just go to column from example and write here only text, enter. Again, I can type here name and only text, enter. So see, some places it happened, taken, some places it has not. You see 40, 30. So I have to keep on training till it understand. So I will type as Vijay, Hyderabad. You see it has picked up only text. From that all the alphanumerical, all the mixed values here. So you see here it was 3 characters, but it is still, I mean 3 numbers where there are 3 text, but it has only picked up the 3 text, okay, whereas on the upper one there were only 2 numerical values and 2 text. So it has picked up only 2 text here and I can just click on OK button. So any unclean data, if you have bring it in Power Query, it will clean for you and you can create some beautiful visuals and charts and dashboards, okay. But for time being, I hope you have understood how to work on column from example on alphanumerical data. For more insightful content, explore our open topic section. Don't forget to connect with us, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the latest updates.